Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another tutorial, and for this video guys, we're gonna be drawing a Chibi Santa. So as you guys can see on screen, this is how he ends up looking like. So if you guys want to learn how to draw him, then let's get started. So first of all guys, we're gonna start off by doing a circle, and then from there we're gonna do another line going down the middle. That's just gonna help us split the circle in the middle. That way we can know basically where the middle is. Once we have that, we're gonna do these two lines going across. Those are just gonna help us do the bottom one is gonna help us know where to start the beard and the mustache, and then the one at the top is gonna help us do the bottom of his hat and just do the hat overall. So just try to get them as close as you can to the way I have it here guys, that way the tutorial is easy to follow. Alright, once we have that, we're gonna do this curve line right here, and then we're just gonna connect it to the middle to do the mustache. Now for the sides of the face right here, we're gonna do these two lines going parallel. And now for the beard. So the beard is just basically these half circles. You guys could basically just use the circle and then just keep doing them until you hit the middle of the circle, basically that line going across. Once we have that guys, we could do his hat. So once again, we're gonna do the same shapes but a little bit bigger. There we go, and then just connect it at the bottom. Once we have that guys, now we're able to erase some of these lines just to have a cleaner drawing. So just get out your erasers and then just erase some of these lines. There we go guys. Now we could do the same thing inside of the mustache. But I kind of like the mustache being split in the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a line there. You guys could just leave it. You guys could just erase it if you guys don't like it. Once we have that guys, we're gonna do a line going in the middle right here, going down under the beard, and then we're gonna finish off by doing a square, and that line going down the middle of the square. We're gonna continue that middle line going down, and then we're gonna do basically these, like, he kind of looks like he has these stick figure legs, but they're not guys. And then once we have that, we're just gonna connect it to the top here to do his feet and his body overall. There we go. That's why it's a Chibi Santa guys, because of his body. There we go. So now that we have that, we can continue these lines right here on the square, which is basically his belt. So we can just continue that. Just remember to make the lines even on both sides, that way it doesn't look too off. Now that we have that, we could erase that middle line going down the square, and we're basically done. Now that we have that guys, we could do the top of his hat. So around here, we're just gonna curve this line and then do the little fluff ball, which is basically these kind of like a cloud shape, I guess. And now we could just connect it to the other side by going around here and just curving it and connecting it to the other side of his head. Now for his arms guys, I do make one a little bit bigger than the other. He kind of looks like he's pointing now that I'm looking at it, but I wasn't too happy with this, so I do go back and I resize his hands or arms, and then just making them smaller just makes them look a little bit cuter. I don't know if you guys agree with me. Once we have that guys, we're going to use that middle line going down his face to help us place his eyes, which are basically two dots, and then we're going to do two lines right here for his eyebrows. I do go back and I do change his right eye. I wasn't too happy with this, so I do go back and change that, as well as erasing that middle line going down his face. Alright guys, and now that we have that, we're basically done. The only thing we need to do is go back down here to the belt and just basically do a square for the middle of his belt. The only thing to do now guys is to do his ears by just doing these two little circles on the side of his face, and we're done with Chibi Santa. So now just go back, guys. If there's anything that doesn't look right, that you guys are not happy with, you guys can go back and just make any changes to your drawing before you guys end up coloring it like the way I did here. I just use basically your basic colors, guys: red, yellow for the buckle, black for the belt, and then basically that's it, guys. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, guys, and to subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.